compact and comfortable DJI Mini 2 weighs less than 249 grams and fits in the palm of your hand. It is the ideal travel companion to help you keep your experience brightest. Despite its compact size, the DJI Mini 2 drone has amazing shooting capabilities. The video camera is capable of shooting in 4K format at a speed of 30 frames per second. The volume of the camera matrix is 12 megapixels. The photo and video camera is fixed on a 3-axis suspension mechanism. These properties provide video recording with high stability, smoothness, and excellent quality. Your videos will be stable even when flying in windy conditions. It doesn't matter what you are shooting: coastline or mountain peaks. Image clarity is maintained even when the DJI Mini 2 is up to 10 kilometers away. At the same time, the flight altitude can reach 4,000 meters. The anti-jamming mechanism allows the drone to fly long distance. The capacity of the battery is capable of providing its duration up to 31 minutes. This is enough time to create beautiful pictures and footage. The DJI Mini 2 camera has a digital zoom capable of 4x magnification. The digital zoom makes shooting safer and more comfortable when choosing distances and compositions.